First, I'm taking here one multi-layer switch. These two pieces under VLAN 10 and these two pieces are VLAN 20, and these two pieces are under VLAN 10. Connectivity I have explained. For this PC IP address is I'm giving statically, I'm assigning IP address statically 192.168.1.10 for this PC. And default gateway is 1, and 24 subnet mask, and this is a 20, 24, and this is 30. These PCs both are in different locations. You can assume.
Only they are in the same location, right? Okay. Yeah.
You can assume it because of we are doing it LAN. Otherwise, it is a different location, and you can assume different location because here we are using L3 device. Understood? L3 device. Apart from that, you can assume like same. It's distribution
No,
layer.
this one, like the IP address 192.168.1.30. You kept subnet mask is 24, right? And
Is
these 3 and 1, they are in the same, right?
okay. Wait, and I'll ask you the different. Any difference is a good question. Who is asking question? Ajay.
No, it's me, sir.
Shashidhar. Shashidhar. Who is
Yeah,
asking this question?
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, me. Yeah,
Okay,
Shashi, sir.
fine. Shashidhar, now you tell me any difference is there in between whatever I have configured IP addresses?
For the PC1 and in PC10, like they both are same. Because you kept the subnet mask is 24 and the 192.168.1 and this 192.168.1. They're in the same phase, right?
Yeah, these both are in same subnet,
Same
and
subnet
uh,
and
these are the
these are
same
in,
subnet. Same subnet.
yeah, yeah.
Good. This is on VLAN 10, and these pieces are in VLAN 10. These two pieces.
Yeah, now it's
These two PCs in VLAN 20 and these two PCs in VLAN
VLAN 20.
20 exactly. Anyone having any queries for this architecture? Whatever I have given diagram. Anyone having any queries up to here? These two PCs VLAN 10 and these two PCs VLAN 20 and these two PCs are in VLAN 10 and these PCs are VLAN. And I'll show you here. I have configured for this PC 10 and for this PC statically I'm giving 20 and subnet mask is 255 to 55.0 and gateway is 1. Good. And yesterday we had a discussion about they both PCs and this PC and this PC, though both will be communicate or not. Yesterday I explained why they will.
The switches are already always up.
Yes, switch link is up. Good. And these two VLANs by
And
default one. I haven't configured anything on this switch. Just I'm pinging this switch to this sorry, this PC to this PC. They both are communicated or not. We'll answer it. Yesterday I have given
yeah,
the idea about it.
yeah, it will communicate because they are in the same VLAN.
Precisely, they will communicate or not.
Yes.
Okay. Ajay, Yamuna, what about other guys? Udita, please everyone answer it. They will both communicate or not.
Yeah, they'll be able to communicate.
Fine. Yes. Now assigning, they are communicating. Now move to the 192.168.2.10 subnet mask and gateways. This one. T and now tell me, I'm trying to ping this PC to this PC. This PC to 926. 926. I haven't configured anything. VLAN 10, VLAN 20. I haven't configured anything till now. And PC 10 is 192.168 2.20 and PC 1A, PC 6 is IP address is 192.168.1.10. 1.10. I'm trying to ping from this PC to 10. It will be communicate or not. Understood my question? If you are not understood, just tell me.
Yeah, understood, sir.
Okay, fine. This both PCs will be communicated or not? From here to here, from here to here. PC 6
No,
to PC 9.
no, they are in the different subnets.
Everyone will agree? Everyone will agree. Or you have any other answers? They will communicate.
They will communicate
Yeah.
because the VLANs are still not assigned.
Okay, fine. Good. Any other one? Udita is fine. Abhishek is telling they communicate. Udita is telling. Sorry, Abhishek is Abhinav. Shashidhar is telling they want. Fine.
It
Ajay,
will, but if we change the subnet marks into 16,
16.
maybe it's gonna communicate.
16. The subnet mask is here 255
24.
255 24 only. And
Yeah,
there also subnet mask is 24, but different IP address,
different IP. No, it won't
different
communicate.
network. Okay, fine. Good.
No, because there is no, you didn't create any trunk.
Size ray, nice. Responding. Who and responding? Very good. No, no or yes, whatever answer is responsive. Responding is nice. Everyone should have to respond. Whatever it is, no or yes. Finally, you will get the answer. That time you recognize what is the reason behind. Think about it, please. They are not communicating. RTO we are getting. RTO. Request timeout. My screen is not visible. My
It's
screen is
visible.
visible.
It's
Yes.
visible for
Architect.
me.
Okay, fine. They are not communicate. Okay, fine. Shashi is fine. Because they are in different network. Whatever we have configured here, VLAN 10 or sorry, by default VLAN 1 is there. We haven't configured anything, but the reason behind in layer 2, two different networks won't communicate. Two different networks will not communicate. If I want to communicate two different network, I need a L3 device, router or any L3 switch. I hope everyone got the answer. If I want to communicate two different networks, see 192, 168, 2. Here 2 is there and here 1 is there. That is the reason. Both are in different network.
Like Alim, if we change to 16, like
Here,
subnet 16, it gonna talk, right? It gonna
where?
send the message, right?
Where?
In the
Here.
subnet mask, if we send like 255.255.0.0,
Okay, okay, fine. Good.
and if we change
Here.
over here to 0.0, it gonna communicate, right? I'm thinking.
Okay. Okay. Everyone
Yeah.
answer. Now these are in same network or different network? Good. You are getting doubts. Oh, nice. Okay. Good. Because of 16, these are now same network. Now 16 means 255.255.0, 255.255.0.0. Both are same network. That is the reason. Nice. I'm changing again. Configuration of switch configuration. How I am assigning VLAN? Just check it. Earlier I used to say here we have a .1 file for flash memory. See, I haven't created any VLAN. That is the reason here .1 file is not visible. Once I'll create config t just VLAN 10 for name. Just give me the name AC account and create VLAN 20 and name it's HR exit from here. Just show flash memory. Then check here .1 flash memory. Where I mentioned that .1. Got it? This is a .1 file. It will store in whichever we are creating the VLAN information, like with the help of .1 file, we have a everything. If you want to delete, just no .1 file. Now move forward. Here, row VLAN information. If you want to check, see, I have created two VLANs, VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. There's account department and share department. I haven't assigned any ports till. You want trace brief, you can check. Here also VLAN 10. One is unassigned any IP addresses for management purpose. It is by default enabled. We'll use this VLAN for one for management IP address. If you want to access with the help of telnet or SSH, we have a I will assign the IP address to VLAN 1. That is an interview question, where you will assign the IP address in L2 switch, that is for management, that is VLAN 1. And config T, and I am assigning these ports are in VLAN 10. Please check interface fast Ethernet. Which interface is one? 0 by 1. 0 by 1. A single, if you want to give a single, then switch port. A single interface we can assign. Otherwise, we have a range also. We can assign switch port mode. This is access actually, and switch port which VLAN in access. VLAN 10 is in access. Understood just enough. And move to the interface fast Ethernet. Go to the see port is down now. Whenever I configured here VLAN, then port is showing down. Interface fast Ethernet 0 by 2. Switch port mode access switch port. You can check here if you want. Access mode here trunk mode we can enable, and priority protected trunk mode you can enable here. Voice over VLANs you can apply here, voice phones or something. Then access VLAN 10. If you want to give range, you can apply interface range fast Ethernet 0 by 3 to 4. This is the range you can check it range. And switch port mode access one access and switch port access VLAN 20. Saved. Configuration on the switch. Enable conti interface fast Ethernet 0 by 1. I'll give the range here. Range fast Ethernet 0 by 1 to 2. Switch port mode access and switch port access VLAN 10. What happened? Why it is not taking? Anyone having a answer? Anyone having answer? I am audible here, right? Why I am not creating any VLANs here? If I am giving code, why it is not accepting?
Because you didn't created any IP address to the
No, not IP address, not VLAN. It's VLAN. Good,
yeah,
good. Exit and VLAN 10 and name is like which name we have given AC. VLAN 20. for HR. Sorry, name HR. Check. Show VLAN X. I have created two VLANs. I is in. I move to the config T. Switch port mode, access VLAN 10, and switch port, access VLAN. This exit interface range fast Ethernet 0x324 and switch port mode access good switch port VLAN switch port access VLAN 20 show VLAN. I have sent it to okay troubleshoot here likewise show VLAN command 0x1 is for these access ports and F0x3 F0x4 these are in these interfaces. If you want to check how I can show running configuration, check here, and interface for Ethernet 0x0 is like access VLAN 10 and these also access VLAN 10 fast Ethernet 0x2 and these both are in VLAN 20 access mode. Access port will be carry the only single VLAN information. Now tell me, I want to communicate with this VLAN to this VLAN. It is possible to communicate. Both are in same VLAN. VLAN 10 to VLAN 10. Both are in same VLAN. It is possible to communicate. No. Any answer? Yes or no? No.
It's gonna communicate. Yes.
Huh? Yes,
Yes.
it will. Okay, fine. We'll check. What IP? 30, 1.30. Ping 192.168.1.p. No, don't. Because we haven't assigned anything here. Switch virtual interfaces. L3 switch. So this interface. Privilege mode and configuration mode, global config mode. Then I am moving to interface. Just I'll should have to create a VLAN 10, VLAN 20, exit, and give the IP addresses for that interface. How I am creating SVA switch virtual interface. So I interface VLAN 10 just it is interface of virtual interface. Okay, earlier you can check here show IP interface brief. No, just I have created that is the reason it's came. But 20 is not there still 20 is not there but it is down because of I haven't assigned IP addresses and I haven't create encapsulation mode. That is the reason protocol is down but 20 is not there. Config T interface VLAN 20 I have created now. Check here again. So IP interface brief. See, but protocol is like virtual interfaces always up. You no need to administratively do up. But VLAN 1 is down. But security is by default it is enabled. That is the reason we should have to enable to on switch, no shutdown. So config t interface VLAN. How I am assigning IP address? Yeah, IP address 192 gateway I'm giving for VLAN 10 gateway is this one, which I have mentioned 1.1, and subnet mask is 255.0, and no need to do shutdown. Exit and interface VLAN 20 and IP address is 192.168.2.1 and gate subnet mask is no need to do. Okay. Now check IP addresses. Show IP interface brief. Any queries? Any doubt till up to here? Config interface fast Ethernet 0/1 and switch port. We should have to switch port mode. We have access dynamically we should have to assign, and trunk port. I'm telling you trunk. This is trunk port because multiple VLAN will be kept. No, before that we should have to encapsulation mode. We should have to enable. Then only it will be a take. Otherwise, it is rejected, right? Switch port. Trunk. Encapsulation. Encapsulation. That one queue is showing only because of its packet tracer. No. Now give the switch port mode trunk. Now it went down and it is coming up. Again. Now move to the interface fast Ethernet 0/2 switch port trunk encapsulation .1 queue switch port mode trunk. If you want to check trunk enabled or not, show interface trunk. With this command you can check trunk is enabled on F0/1 and F0/2. It will be allowed active management every VLAN. All the VLAN information it will be by default, whichever enabled it will be carried. And now move to, we haven't configured it till yet in the switches for this interface. Interface fast Ethernet 0/5 switch port mode trunk. Exit. Fast Ethernet 0/5 switch port mode trunk. Or try it earlier we have try to communicate in different. Now same VLAN. I'm trying to communicate. Till it is not communicating. Only one line command is missing. If anyone answer it, what is that command? Till it's interview question, bro. It is an interview question. Still one command is missing. Only one line command. This switch is it even though it is L3 device, but it is act as like L2 only. It will be not perform routing. By default, it won't perform the routing. That is the reason. If I want to enable routing, then we have a one command. Then interviewers definitely ask this question. Just enable. See, before that, I'll show you something here. Show IP route for routing table checking. It is not any routing performed here. There, no routing is performed. Okay. If you want to enable, config T IP routing. Just then now again check show IP route. Now you are getting a routing table. Earlier we are not get the routing table. Now we are getting the routing table. Now it is possible to pick. Now here we are connected to VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. 192.168.1.0 and 192.168.2.0. These two routes we are getting in this route. Now it is possible to communicate.
Now, can we connect for the PC6 and the PC12 as well, right? Because we activated all the trunking and everything.
Sorry?
Now can we communicate from the PC6 to the PC12? From the
Yes.
PC6 to, yeah, because we activated all the trunking and everything, right?
Right.
Encapsulation.
Try to ping gateway. It is pinging. Now try to ping the different gateway, that is 2.1. It is pinging. Now try to ping a different location PC. But still it is not pinging. We enable routing also.
Or do we need to enable routing for the switch?
This switch.
The second one, like
This
yeah.
switch.
Yes.
Okay. Check. No need to enable the because of its a so VLAN information. Okay. We have a send we have the check show running configuration. Fine. Then IP address here. Clear doesn't it? All are basic troubleshooting things. Okay. We should have to take. follow these things, then only it's possible. Try to ping from PC10 to PC6. Same VLAN. 192.168 1.10. Yes, it's pinging. And try to ping different VLAN. Okay. 2.10. Two dot 10. First packet drop. Why? Because yesterday I told you because of ICMP or first packet drop because it will be check the MAC table and all. That is the reason. Though two different VLANs are pinging now. I haven't assigned IP address here till. If you want, you can assign the IP address 192.168 1.40 and 168 1.1 and check here. Try to ping from here only. I'll show you something again, something different. ARP minus A. You can check here. ARP table also generated for this PC. We got and try to ping same VLAN from here to here on 1.40. It's pinging and take here. And guys, if you have any queries, and we'll connect again. Otherwise, we'll have a call tomorrow. Otherwise,